You too can make homemade sauerkraut. It's so delicious. You get a cabbage, just about 2 pounds, you quarter it, you chop the stems off, and then you shred it up real good. Get it shredded nice. And then you put it in a bowl and you smash it. You want to sort of break up the cell wall of the plant, and then you're going to put in a tablespoon of salt for just under 2 pounds of cabbage. I like caraway seed too. Delicious. You smash it up a bit more, and then you're going to put it in a quart jar. That whole thing is going to fit in the quart jar. I use a funnel. It's still super messy. Lots of fun. You get it in there. That whole thing packs in there. You pack it down with a spoon or a spatula, and you can see it starting to brine, right? That's osmosis at work for you. You put in your sauerkraut rock to hold it down, put on the lid. It's got some holes in there. It's going to breathe. You put it on a plate, and you set it on your counter for a week, 2 weeks, and you taste it here and there, and it's good, and then you stick it in the fridge. Delicious.